What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed. So check it out. We're gonna make a quick little video today to maybe help someone out that runs into this problem that I am about to touch on right now. So the problem at hand that I'm talking about is, let's say you have a B18, right? You got a B18 in your Civic, Honda Swap Civic, whatever you want to call it. But these header bolts, especially if you got a log manifold, they like to get loose, they like to break off. And like this right here, that one is broke off. I gotta fix that. But as you can see right here, look, I got a nut on that one. So these are all going to be replaced. What am I going to replace them with? Is these bolts right here. Now usually, if you're like me, the first place you're gonna go for a bolt like that is probably eBay, a Honda specific bolt. But they're kind of hard to find because you're running an aftermarket header or you are running a long turbo manifold from eBay, which may or may not be trash. So that may not always be the best option. Well, I found a good option on Amazon that we're going to talk about. And the option I'm referring to is this bad boy right there. It works like a charm. And if you notice, we got a pretty good head on it as well. These are the bolts that I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see the tag on them, but these are 8x35 flanged head hex bolts. And the good thing about it is they work well for this application. You can get them quick and get your car back up and running very fast. And you don't have to search far and wide. I'll put a link to these in the description if you're interested. So my thing is, if I ever run into something that may be useful to somebody else, that sun is sunny. If I run into anything that may be useful to somebody else, I'm gonna always do a video on it. Even if it's not about the views, it's about if somebody is searching for something and I have a solution, may as well share it. This your boy. Make sure you like, comment, share, do whatever it is you need to do after watching this video. Peace.